Hey y'all, this your girl Tiana, like only be me, and I am coming at you with a Walmart grocery haul. First of all, let me start off by saying welcome to my channel if you is new, and welcome back to all my old sugar boos. If you is new, only thing I ask you to do is hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring the doorbell. When I say ring the doorbell, that means hit the thumbs up, the like button. One time for your girl, if you don't mind. Alright, I also ask that I have a second channel. I want to let you know about that. And I ask that you run over there to that channel and show that channel some love. The name of my channel is Boss Up Cleaning. That's where I put all my cleaning videos, organization, decorating, DIY, stuff like that over there on that channel. So if you would like, I ask that you go over there and show that channel some love. And when you do, leave a comment and let me know that you have joined the family. Join the family. And also, don't forget to ring the doorbell over there. Neither, honey. That's just what you do. Ring the doorbell. Alright? Once again, that's a thumbs up, like. But alright, y'all. So let's get into this grocery haul. I know y'all see the little stuff behind me. Y'all wondering, what did I get? Okay. So if you missed the live that I did a live going in the grocery store on doing this video. Then I will leave it in the link above that way you can go and watch that, just in case you want to go and shop with us and see what all we was talking about in that video and stuff like that. Okay, but anyway, I did a live, so now here is the everything that I got. All right, I ain't leaving nobody out. That's why I came to do this grocery haul for y'all. All right, so I love y'all. Make sure y'all ring the doorbell. Did you ring the doorbell yet? If you didn't ring the doorbell, just take a minute. I'll wait. You did it yet? Oh, okay. All right. Thank you, Sugar, for ringing the doorbell. That's the thumbs up, like button. Hit it one time for the one time. And I'll see y'all in the next video. But let's get on with this one right here. All right, y'all. Alrighty, family. So here is the overall view of everything that I done went to Walmart and done picked up. Just did to do, child. Just when it got too much, but honey, we needed all of this. We did. Honey, most definitely my drinks, okay? But yes, child, honey, over here too. Those clean dishes, don't worry. But yeah, over here too, child, okay? Child, honey. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, it's starting over here. We're gonna be trying us something new, y'all. I got some of this Coffee Mate Cafe Mocha Creamer for some coffee. I also got some vanilla caramel creamer, and one of my sugar boos gave me this idea while I was in the grocery store to get this right here, so I'm trying that. But I got me some vanilla caramel. Y'all know I liked it. I didn't get the hazelnut this time, but I just got the vanilla caramel. And then I got me some bacon, and I like to get that thick slice Walmart Great Value brand bacon, and it be good, y'all. And you ain't got to worry about it doing all that shrinking and stuff. It don't do you like that. All right. Oh, you know what? It's looking at my empty pie. I forgot to get me some air freshener. But anyway, I got me 2 lemons. I got 2 bags of shrimp, jumbo shrimp, and these was like $13 for those, y'all. But was it 13 or 12? One or the other. It was like $13. But no, I got a bag of sugar. I got a bell pepper, 1 bell pepper. I got 2 things of aluminum foil. Over here we got all our snacks and juices and just a little mixture. So I got a bag, 2 bags of barbecue chips. They were a little bag right there. I got barbecue chips, 2 bags of lightly salted potato chips, a bag of sour cream and onion. Y'all, they had my favorites up in there again this time. Some honey barbecue. So I got 3 bags of those. Alright, so then back here I got some swai catfish, y'all, and this is the catfish for the fillets that I was telling y'all about that I like to get now. Since y'all was talking about the tilapia, I didn't look them up, but I did switch my fish over, so this is what we buy right here. Swai cat. I got me some Jonah crab claws. I got me, and this is some good crabs, y'all. If y'all one of the ones that like crabs, I recommend you to get you some Jonah crab claws, y'all. They be blessed and they be good. Only thing is, you make sure that you get you some crab crackers when you get ready to open them, okay? Because they do got a little cut in them to help you out a little bit, but you still gonna need some crackers. And if y'all don't know what crab crackers is, or whatever you want to call them, I call them crab crackers. If you don't know what a crab cracker is, this is a crab cracker. You crack crabs with this right here. So look for you one of these. I don't know if you can find them at Walmart. I probably got mine from a yard sale or something. But yeah, y'all, the crab crackers. All right, so then, like I told them, I like to fill my refrigerator up outside with something. I have a refrigerator here that I use in the house, but my old refrigerator I did not get rid of because we put our quick foods out there, and we put our juices. I fill it up with like juices and stuff like that. Any drinks we entertaining drinks go out there in that refrigerator. So I got berry punch, grape punch, strawberry lemonade, which is a must. You got to get 2 of them. I got a watermelon, a tropical punch, another berry punch, a fruit punch, and another strawberry lemonade. Then we got some Kool-Aid. Y'all know Kool-Aid is a staple in my household. We love Kool-Aid. Okay, my husband, he loves his Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid is going to be in our grocery hauls forever. Okay, so anyway, I got some tropical punch. I got 3 of those. I got 4 pink lemonade. I got 4 pink lemonade, and I got 4 tropical punch. Then I got 8 of the blue raspberry. I got a bag of onions. I got a bag of potatoes right there. Who was it? Miss Miles. She was the one that told me about these, y'all. One of my sugar boos. She recommended that I try the Sunbelt chocolate chip granola bars. So I'm gonna get those a try. They look good too, y'all. So I'm excited about those. And they got some peanut butter ones that I think I want to try too, because y'all know I like peanut butter. Okay, so then I got me 3 things of Imperial margarine, and butter is what I call it. And then I got some crescent rolls. I got 3 cans of these. Y'all, do y'all see how small, skinny? Oh, Lord. Do y'all see how skinny these cans done got? I mean, they is extra skinny. Like, come on now. Like, my fingers meet with this can. And it wasn't like that. So, with the can being smaller, 9 times out of 10, the croissant rolls must have got smaller. Alright, so, then I got me some my husband household Catalan's barbecue sauce. I got some on, and this is real good, y'all. So if y'all don't know anything about this, I recommend y'all try this barbecue sauce as well. Got some Weston vegetable oil. I got some bread right there, some Sara Lee butter bread. I got my drinks of choice. Okay, y'all don't worry about that. That's one little dirty dish. Okay, anywho, I got 2 of the red wine, y'all. If y'all ain't never tried oat leaf red wine, I recommend y'all to try it, honey. When I tell y'all, it be bussin'. It be bussin'. Okay, and guess what? It's only like 5 something for the big one, and it's only like $3 for the little ones. So I go and get the big one, y'all. I got 2 of those. Moving right along, I got me some Steel Reserve. Got those from Walmart as well. But if y'all try them, I recommend y'all try the hard pineapple or try the grape. All of them just about good, but we got favorite ones. But I like the hard pineapple and I like the grape. And they don't have the grape ones yet at Walmart. I see they got the strawberry ones now, but they ain't got the grape ones. And they just got the strawberry ones because they only had the pineapple. But you can find these at your convenience store, and they're only like $1 a can, y'all. And they are so good. They like a mixed drink, and they flavor, and they got 8% alcohol, and will put you on your behind, okay? But they sell regular beer in that brand too. All right, y'all. So I gotta finish up this haul, y'all. Got some more stuff. Went back to the store. We got some more stuff. So just a couple more items or whatever. So we got some more. Sure. Okay, so we got some more cards. My husband went and got him some cards. And we got some ham. I got a pack of paint brushes. I got a pack of Uno cards. I got some pepperoni. I got a power strip, 6-foot power strip. I got 2 more things of the smaller bowls right there. Then I got 2 packs of hot dogs, the classic Jumbo Franks. I got a thing of bologna. I got a thing of salami. I got a roll of ground beef. I got a twin pack of cream cheese. We got 2 of these Red Bulls. Got a peach And then watermelon. The watermelon one is good, y'all. Then got 2 Snicker bars. I got some candles. I got the mango melon. I got 2 mango melon. I got a island party, a juicy watermelon. All these smell, every last one on. A warm apple pie. There goes another juicy watermelon and another mango melon. Then I got some tortilla chips. I got bite size. I got some cantina style tortilla chips, some bowls, and then I got some more bite size. Some more bite size. I got some of this nacho cheese. I'm gonna make some rotel dip with that. That's why y'all seen all this stuff when we went back to the store for extra stuff. But anyway, so the other store I went to, I found the ribs for y'all. Remember we was on the live and I was looking for the ribs, y'all. So this is the Corky's barbecue rib dinner that I was looking for, y'all. So I got 4 of those right there, and these is so good, y'all. They like $4-5 for a box, about $5. And then that was it. So that was it for the little stuff. So that was it for the other stuff that I went back and got right there, y'all. All right, so then over here on this side, I got a 200 count pack of paper plates. I got some coffee. I didn't even look to, okay, it's instant. I was finna say I didn't even look to see if it was instant, but I was just trying something different because, honey, like I told y'all, that bowl just was like $8, baby. I ain't about that life, okay? But anyway, I got some fabric softener pods. This is the ones I like to use, y'all. I have to buy pods because I'm heavy-handed. You get 56 in this container. And I think it's on like $6 and something. Okay, so then I got me some more cornmeal, some buttermilk cornmeal hot rice. I got me some apple juice. I got 2 containers of that. I'm trying to find me a cereal for me. So I got these adult cereal right here. I'm trying to find my adult cereal is what I'm trying to say, y'all. So I got these Fruity Pebbles, y'all. And I'm probably going to be shuffling through cereal until I find my go-to cereal that I want. You know what I'm saying? Because I do like cereal, y'all, when I want them. But it's just like cereal just don't taste the same no more. Cereal, they got too much of a grainy, weedy taste to me. And so I'm gonna be going through different cereals, seeing which ones that I like, which I do have ones that I like growing up, which was the Captain Crunchy Berries and the Reese Puff cereal. And every now and then I eat little Frosted Flakes or whatever. But other than that, I don't have no adult cereal, y'all. So I'm going to be trying different cereals, seeing what I like. But one thing about me, I have to have me some ice cold milk when I eat cereal, y'all. So I got to have some ice. So I'll be filling up my ice tray so I could be trying eating me some cereal, y'all. But anywho, moving right along. I got me some butter flavor syrup. I got me a bonnet. And this is the extra large one. They're $2 at Walmart. And then I got me some bowls. Some large bowls. Then I got some cocoa butter lotion. And I got 5 dicks, of course, y'all. And bicycles. Normally bicycles, y'all, be like $6 a pack. Depends on where you're going. About $4-5 for real, y'all. A pack of cards. Well, and the store that I went in was the neighborhood Walmart, and I'm noticing that they starting to add like other stuff to their store, like toys, and you know, they had some cars, they had stationary items like, you know, stuff for office and stuff like that, which they didn't have all that. Okay, you know that the neighborhood Walmart, y'all, was just the, you know, the Walmart for so anyway, I'm trying to hook y'all up real quick. But y'all know the neighborhood Walmart was the Walmart for just groceries. And now I'm noticing that they starting to add different stuff to the store. They adding you know, toys and stationary items like, you know, paper and pens and stuff like that. Well, in the section where they had that stuff, they had those cars, and normally for like Maverick cars, they like $1. Okay, so I seen where the cars were 88 cents, and they had the Mavericks up there. So as I was going through them, I noticed they had some bicycle cars. This bicycle, y'all, And as I was going through them, I noticed they had some bicycles. So I'm like, they got bicycle, and they was hanging up there for 88 cents too. I said, nah, hold up, let me check to see how much, you know, the cars was, right? So when I checked the cars, the Mavericks was actually 88 cents, and these bicycles, which is a better brand than the Mavericks, child, they was only 75 cents on clearance, honey. And y'all know we are some professional card players, honey. Spade game, that is, all right, honey. And when we ain't got a whole four to play, then we like to play us some Rummy 500. If y'all don't know about Rummy 500, Gin Rummy 500, that is, we like to play that too. So honey, we are some card players, honey, and we need some cards, because cards, you know, they get wore out real quick, especially those Maverick cards. But honey, I done ran across me some bicycles, child, for 75 cents, honey. Listen, I got me 5 decks of them, y'all. And so we're going to be in there for a little while on our cards. Honey, ain't played none, okay? Not none this week, honey. We only play on the weekend. But anyway, yeah, so I had to get my cards, y'all. So we'll be in there for when we need our cards, honey. And I love to keep me some cards in the car, okay? Honey, you just never know where you pop up at. And somebody be like, y'all play cards? Yes, honey, we are some spade champions, okay? Me and my mama, okay, we is unbeatable, unstoppable. But honey, they been tearing our ass up. Y'all ain't gonna tell no lie. They been tearing the damn woo child. But anyway, that is it for this haul. I hope y'all, no it ain't. I got 2 things, but I have bought some of those red, white, and blue Rocket popsicles. I went ahead and put those in the freezer. And one more thing that I had got some hamburger patties. I had to go ahead and put that in the freezer. So I got some of these hamburger patties, and these is real good, y'all. If y'all ain't never tried them, but these right here is a little cheaper than the one that come in the blue bag. So yeah, and you know, it's only because of the amount of fat that's in the beef. That's all it is. But honey, when I tell y'all these some good hamburgers, y'all gotta try them. But anyway, that's it for this video. I love y'all. Peace, love, many blessings to each and every one of y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Let me go ahead on and get this stuff put up, and I'll see y'all. Don't forget to ring that doorbell if y'all don't know what a doorbell is. The doorbell is the thumbs up, the like button. Hit one time for your girl, if you don't mind. All right, and don't forget to run over there to my other channel, Boss Up Cleaner, that is, and subscribe to the channel. When you do, leave a comment and let me know I joined the family. All right, peace, y'all.